Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you useful keyboard shortcuts for your browser. And before I start, make sure you enable subtitles on my videos, tune this down, better will say. So yeah, let's start. Before I continue, this may be my last video of 2020, and as you can see in the time and the date on my desktop in the bottom right corner, today is Christmas Day, and in case I do not see you before the end of the year, I wish you right now Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's Eve, and I hope you spend your Christmas and the New Year's Eve with your family and friends, and let's pray to God that 2021 will be a normal year as it was last year and the previous years. And yeah, you will see me again probably in January 2021, but for 2020 this may be my last video right here. And yeah, I do not have anything else to show you. Let's get back to the video. So as you can see by the title, in this video I will show you some useful keyboard shortcuts that you can use on your browser. These keyboard shortcuts work on every browser that you try. It does not matter if it's a 10-year-old browser, it will still work no matter what. So whatever browser you have, it will still work. And here I have a notepad with different keyboard shortcuts, as you can see right here. I'm gonna have all of this in the description if you want for some reason, but I have them here as you can see right here. Now we will start from the top and we will go to the bottom. So the first one, as you can see here, I have Ctrl and R, which reloads the page. I'm gonna show you of course each and every one, so Ctrl R on my keyboard and we'll refresh the page. I'm gonna go quick with all of these shortcuts because if I take too much time the video will be long. So Ctrl and W closes the current tab, so I'm gonna open a new tab and hit Ctrl W, it will close the tab. Ctrl T, it will open a new tab, so Ctrl T will open a new tab as you can see right here, and if I hit multiple times it's gonna open multiple tabs. Next up we have the Ctrl Shift and T, which reopens the recently closed tab, so if I hit the Ctrl Shift and T it's gonna open the channel comments on YouTube Studio as you can see right here. Next up is going to be the Ctrl and Tab, which switches to the next tab. So if I hit Ctrl and Tab, it's going to switch between the tabs. So if I open multiple ones and I hit Ctrl Tab, it's going to switch to the next tab, as you can see right here. The next one is going to be Ctrl and H, which opens the history. I'm not gonna do it because I do not want to show you my history, so you can try it for yourself. The next one is gonna be Ctrl and J, which opens the download section. So if I hit Ctrl J, you will see right here that the downloads will open up. The other one is gonna be Ctrl and F, which you can search for something in the current page. So if I hit Ctrl F, you can search for whatever you want right here. If you put, for example, a number, it will display the number that you have put in the whole page. The last one is going to be Ctrl and S, which saves the current page as .html. So if I hit Ctrl and S, it's going to try and save it somewhere if you want to head back to that page in another day. And yeah, these are the shortcuts that I pretty much use every day. I do not want to show you the whole shortcuts list for your browser because it would have been a long video, but these are the main ones that I use pretty much every day. And here, as I say, I have other keyboard shortcuts that are not really shortcuts, but it still does the job. So F3 is the same as Ctrl F, as I say right here. It's gonna open the search box, so if I hit F3, it's gonna open the search box. F4 is gonna highlight the URL of the current page. It's gonna be very useful if you don't wanna use your mouse. So if I type here something, and if I hit F4, it's gonna highlight the URL as you can see right here. And then F5 is the same as Ctrl R, it refreshes the page. The next one, which is page up or page down, it scrolls through the current page without using your mouse. And these two keys will be next to the numlock and number 7 in the right side of your keyboard. So if I hit page down, it's gonna scroll down the page, as you can see right here. And if I hit page up, you're gonna scroll up to the page. Alt and Tab, this is very useful if you don't want to use your mouse again, switches through your applications. So if I hit Alt and Tab, as you can see right here, I can scroll through my application. So for example, I can open OBS as you can see right here, and if I want to head back to Edge, I can head back doing like that. The second to last one is going to be Ctrl Left and mouse click. If you hover on top of something and you click Ctrl and left mouse click, it will open whatever you just hovered on in a new tab. It's going to be the same as below, which I will show you in a bit. So if I hit on top of Google and hit Ctrl and left click, it's gonna open it in a new tab without right clicking and clicking open in a new tab. And the last one, as I say here, hitting the middle button on your mouse on top of something in your browser, it will open that in a new tab. So for instance, if I hover on top of the bookmark Google right here and I hit the middle button on my mouse, it's gonna open it as a new tab, as you can see right here. I can do the same thing and in other websites right here, which is really useful, instead of right clicking and clicking open in a new tab. And yeah, that's basically it. I do not have anything else to show you. Yes, this video is a bit long, but it's quite useful if you want to use them in every single day. And yeah, that's a video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.